look into the eighth question. Design Verilog program for implementing various types of flip-flop such as SR, JK and D flip-flop. SR flip-flop is the most common flip-flop among all. This simple flip-flop circuit has a set input S and a reset input R. In this system, when you set S as active and output Q would be high and Q would be low once the output are established. The wiring of circuit is maintained until S or R go high or power is turned off. Similarly, in the D flip-flop, there will be a single input. D flip-flop is a better alternative that is popular with the digital electronics. They are commonly used for counters and shift registers and input synchronization. In the D flip-flops, the output can only be changed at the clock edge, and if the input changes at other times, the output will be unaffected. Before executing the Verilog code, we will note that the clock CLK is clock and RST is the reset input and Q is the output signal. When the RST value is 1, Q will remain as 0. During simulation, we will make some changes in the simulation bar. Right click on the RST variable in the wave window, select force constant, then type the value 1 and click OK. Right click on the CLK variable in the wave window, select force clock, enter leading edge as 0, trailing edge as 1, period as 1 US and click on OS. OK. Run the simulation. Right click on the RST variable in the wave window, select force constant and then type the value 0 and click on OK. Run the simulation and verify the output signal. This will be the behavioral Verilog code for D flip-flop and the SR flip-flop. You can note that there will be 2 cases in D flip-flop and 3 cases in SR flip-flop. Inputs we will take it as D, clock and reset in D flip-flop, and S, R, clock and reset in SR flip-flop. Output will be Q and QB for both flip-flops. When you the output will be like this. The defined clock of the defined clock sequence will be the one we looked into the other slide. In SR flip-flop, when you give S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, clock is equal to 0 and reset is equal to 1, the Q and QB value will be don't case. In D flip-flops, when you give D is equal to 0, clock is equal to 0, reset is equal to 1, the Q and QB value for this also will be don't case as well. Thank you.